Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Nye, and this is Slay the Renee Way, a place where passionate entrepreneurs can come to grow, glow, and succeed in their small businesses. Today I'm going to be sharing some cosmetic business vendors with you guys. All of these vendors I have used before and I trust them, so I'm going to share with you guys. Let's jump right into this video. Now, the first vendor that we're talking about is Alibaba.com. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of Alibaba, but maybe you're a little bit skeptical about how to shop with Alibaba.com and how you can actually source for your own cosmetic-based ingredients using this website. So I'm just going to walk you guys through it. Really simple. Once you visit the website, at the top of the website, there's a search bar. You can pretty much type in anything that you're looking for, especially if you're looking for cosmetic ingredients. So for this example, I was showing how you can actually search for shea butter. If you're looking to purchase bulk shea butter to make body butters, lotions, all you would do was type that into the search bar and scroll down until you find a vendor that looks like they're going to have everything that you need. The most important thing about Alibaba.com is to use that contact supplier button. So in this example, I'm showing you guys a lip gloss base. If you're into making lip glosses and cosmetic ingredients like that, you can also get all of those type of bulk ingredients right here on this website. Now, because these are overseas most of the time, you will want to make sure that you contact the supplier to ask them whether or not they're going to be able to ship a certain amount of product to you within a certain time frame. That's where things get tricky because you will spend a lot of time communicating amongst different vendors. But I will just say that you should be patient when associating with the vendors because they are on a different time frame most of the time. So you want to be patient, okay? You can also use that little button that I just clicked, the trade assurance. That's going to guarantee that you're getting a quality product, and if you don't, you're able to go ahead and refund and get your money back. So there really is no risk to using Alibaba. The most that goes into it is knowing that you're going to go into talking to different vendors, and you may have to communicate for a little while. You may want to get some samples and try different variations of products from various different vendors to decide on which one you may want to go with. But yeah, Alibaba is just like an overall good base to start. It's so many different products, so many different vendors. Anything you want, you can get it custom made, private label. If you'd like to have something already packaged and made for you, where you just get your label or your logo attached to it, here's the place where you can do that. Yeah, I pretty much use Alibaba as like a search engine to get me started. This is where I start most of the time. Then I'll go into the other websites that I'm showing you next. If you guys have any questions about this, make sure you comment them down below because I can give you more in-depth tutorials. But for the next website, we're talking about Brambleberry.com. Brambleberry.com is absolutely perfect if you're looking to make any sort of cosmetic ingredients. It could be hair care, body care, skin care, anything. They have all the different ingredients that you will need. So I'm showing you guys here at the top, you can shop by product. You can get your bases, your butters, oils, waxes, fragrance oils. I like that they also have packaging on their website, so you can get everything you need for your products right here on this one website. Another thing that they do include is a couple of different tools and accessories that you might need. So I would just scour the website for whatever product you're looking to make. I'm showing you guys that they do have some like melt and pour soaps if you're into making soaps. A lot of their bases are really affordable. That's another thing that I like about Brambleberry. Their prices are very affordable. A lot of websites will charge a lot because obviously these are bulk products and you're going to need a lot. So you don't want to be spending a ton of money if you don't have to. But this is a Memorial Day sale that they are hosting. You're getting $10 off your order of $100, $25 off of your order of $150. So if you're watching this video today, which is Memorial Day, you might want to go ahead and check out this website now. You can also sign up for their email list and save 20% on top of that. So yeah, make sure you head to Brambleberry. I've used them for a couple of different soap-based products as well as their essential oils and fragrance oils. Oh my gosh, the fragrance oils on this website, y'all, so bomb. Like, they just smell so bomb and very good quality as well. So here we are looking at some body care bases. I like Brambleberry because of the base. Like, if you want to make any product but you're not really into formulation and you kind of just want to add your fragrance and your color, package it up and sell it, here's where you can shop because they have so many different bases like shampoo, conditioner, lotion, soaps, shea butters. All of these are bases that you can start with and then add your little ingredients to, you know, make sure that it's unique for yourself. But at least with this website, you'll have a good base to start. We all know formulation takes up a lot of time, and some of us just want to go ahead and start making our products as soon as possible. So highly recommend checking out Brambleberry. Another thing that they have on their website that I really enjoy is the fact that they have certain kits for a lot of different products, specifically their bath bomb kits. If you wanted to sell bath bombs and you didn't want to go through the hassle of having to buy all of those separate ingredients, Brambleberry has kits, which includes everything that you need. Like I said before, their essential oils and their fragrance oils, you guys. This is mainly what I go to this website for, is the fragrance oil selection. They just have so many and they smell so good. I like fragrance oils that are distinct. You know, I want something that is, I can tell that it's going to be unique to my brand and to my product, because a lot of these fragrance oils are kind of like, I don't know. I just want to say I've tested a lot of different fragrance oils and some of the quality is just not there. So I do recommend Brambleberry for fragrance oils, as well as their cosmetic bottles. Now, I've only gotten, I think I've only purchased one bottle from them, but the way that it was packaged and how it delivered to me, it was great. I've had several experiences where bottles have been broken and things like that. But with Brambleberry, they make sure everything is packed up just right for you. So make sure you guys check out Brambleberry.com. Everything will be linked down in the description box. Go ahead and click those links down below. Next, we're looking at Wholesale Supplies Plus. This is a newer website to me. I'm actually just now trying this one out for my first time this year. But I did go ahead and look over the website before I put this in this video. I like that they have a quick processing time. 1 to 2 business days is very, very quick for bulk supply companies like this. A lot of the times things are on back order and you may have to wait weeks or so. But if you wanted to order something today, Monday, you could have something by Friday. That's a really quick turnaround time. So with this website, they have everything. I mean, any and everything. Soap making supplies, melt import soap bases, base oils, butters, a lot of different packaging materials as well. But for this website, you guys, you are going to be looking for things that you need to actually formulate the product. So like I was saying with Brambleberry, how if you're not very into formulating your product and you kind of want to just add a fragrance oil, a nice colorant, and package it up nicely, Wholesale Supplies Plus is going to be the opposite, okay? They are going to give you all the raw ingredients and things that you need to actually formulate the product from scratch. So if that's something that you're into, you definitely want to check that out. But I do like their prices as well. Their prices seem very reasonable compared to some of the other cosmetic ingredient supplies that I've looked at. Their websites are really, really easy to use. I like that they go in order from everything that you need to shop. So you don't get lost on the website because everything on the left-hand side gives you exactly what you could be looking for. Right now I'm just showing you guys some of the different soaps that they offer. If you're looking to make shower gels or body washes, you can purchase them in 16 ounces up to 20 gallons, like up to 50 gallons. They have a lot of different variations in sizes, as well as their prices. Like I said, they are affordable. So if you look at the bases, they have so many more than Brambleberry. That's another thing that differs from Brambleberry and Wholesale Supplies Plus. The base selection is a lot larger on Wholesale Supplies Plus. That's kind of a tongue twister to say fast, Wholesale Supplies Plus. Anyway, their fragrance selection is pretty large. I do like that they go by notes. So if you like to shop your fragrances by notes, say you wanted a beachy fragrance, a coffee fragrance, a flower or herb fragrance, they will section everything off in notes like that. So it makes it easy to shop. I've never tried these out for myself, but looking at the prices, it seems comparable to the other websites that I'm showing you. So as far as pricing goes, this is it's very affordable. But I like that each oil that I'm looking at so far has a review. So if you aren't sure about the scent, you might want to go check out their reviews. Read through the reviews and see whether or not this is something that you want to shop for yourself. Keep in mind, use your own discretion for all of these websites. I'm just showing you guys a place to start, okay? They also have different molds if you're making bath bombs or soaps. They give you all the supplies that you may need, all the different silicone soap mold boxes, a lot of different bath bomb molds as well, which you could get these off of Amazon, but sometimes if you're on a website and you know that you can get everything all at once, I recommend doing it that way, especially if the pricing is, comparable, because you don't want everything to be getting shipped to you in different days and things like that. I kind of just like things easier on myself by getting it all at once. So that's pretty much it for this website. They do have a lot of essential oils as well. Like I said, I would check out the reviews and the images to make sure that this is going to be something that works for you and for whatever product that you're making. I would make sure that you also read the description for everything that is included as far as ingredients, so that when you do go to make it, you know exactly what you're putting into your products. Now, lastly, I wanted to show you guys some of the containers that they have on this website. Again, like I'm saying, if you're looking to make anything, you can pretty much get your ingredients, your containers, and all your packaging on one website. I like that you can shop your containers by color. Anything to make your search easier is I don't know, that just works for me. Like, user-friendly websites, especially that have a lot of ingredients like this, really make me happy, because I don't like to be frustrated while I'm trying to shop. But anyway, they have plastic, glass, and a lot of different options as far as lids go. I know sometimes people like to use very distinct bottles, so I am seeing some bottles that I don't normally see on the other container websites that I use. So make sure you check out Wholesale Supplies Plus for all of your packaging needs. Okay, so next we are moving on to makingcosmetics.com. This is another new cosmetic ingredient website that I've just come across, but I decided that I was going to share this one because I like to give you guys a little bit of variety, okay? That way, if you don't like one, then you can try another. So with the Making Cosmetics website, you guys, they have so many cosmetic ingredients. I mean, any and everything that you could need to formulate any product is on this website. I will go ahead and say that this website also does have, it kind of leans towards those who are looking to formulate. So if you are very interested in formulating products that are unique, very different, and you like to experiment with other ingredients, Making Cosmetics is the website for you. They literally have ingredients from A to Z. I mean, I could get lost on this website, but I like it because it gives you a good place to start when you're new to formulation. And a lot of different websites don't actually have specific ingredients that you need for a specific product. So say you're trying to make a anti-aging skin serum or something like that. Those type of products are going to call for very specific cosmetic ingredients. And you may not find that on Amazon. You may not find that on Brambleberry. So anyway, makingcosmetics.com is really good for that. Now, I did want to show you some of the other things that they have. Like I said, these are going to be ingredients that are going to help you to formulate your products. So if you don't want to formulate, you might want to skip, because some of these have very scientific words. I'm not going to lie. You're going to have to do your research to make sure that you're shopping for exactly what you need for your products. But do take your time navigating through this website, because they also have a lot of different unique packaging. They have containers. They also have formulas. There's a formula tab that you can click that will help you with your formulation. So I found that to be pretty cool as well. I'm sorry that I didn't show that part in the video, but the link will be down below for you to play around with the website for yourself. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this website. Let's move on to a packaging and container website, SKS Bottle and Packaging. This is one of my most trusted container websites, you guys. So yes, I'm giving y'all the gems and giving y'all the tea. Y'all know I don't gatekeep at all. This website right here got everything you may possibly need for any cosmetic product that you're trying to pack. I mainly come here to get plastic containers. I prefer to use U-line if I'm looking for glass, but they do have glass and plastic containers. Like right here, they have an 8-ounce glass bottle. These are like Boston round bottles with the pump. And I like that this website will send you the actual lid with a lot of their jars. Sometimes on these packaging and container websites, you will have to purchase the bottle and then purchase the top that matches it separately. But with SKS, a lot of their containers do also come with the top that matches the bottle. And that's a whole nother thing. Trying to match the bottle to the top, getting the wrong top to the bottle. I've been there, done it all. So I really like the SKS bottle. Makes it really easy for you. Here's some of their plastic bottle selection. They have different colors: clear, white, amber, blue, green, purple, pink, like all the colors. You can shop by color, or you can shop by like jar or bottle size. Yeah, this website just pretty much has everything you could possibly need. I mean, I could go on and on and on about it, but it's pretty straightforward. You figure out which container you'd like, you add it to your cart, you check out. Delivery is very fast, and their packaging is always in a way that you know your bottles are not going to be messed up during transit. So I appreciate that, because no one wants to spend hundreds of dollars on all this packaging and then it comes to you broken. So yeah, make sure you guys click the link below for SKS Bottle. Okay, now last but not least, the last website that I want to show you guys is something you've probably already heard of before, TKB Trading. Now, TKB Trading is a cosmetic ingredient website as well. Most of us have used TKB Trading for like lip gloss, or that's where it became widely known for, their lip gloss products. But don't sleep, because they also have a lot of different bath and body products as well. So like I just said, if you're looking to sell lip gloss and you need a vendor that you can trust for their lip gloss base, TKB Trading is where you can just go to know that everything is going to be right and tight for you, okay? I've tried it before. The base is really nice. I will say that it can get a little bit expensive. There are other lip gloss base vendors that you can find, maybe on Etsy or something like that, but for their mica powders and their colorants, they have a good selection of different colors that you can use that are skin and lip safe. So I like that when you look on their products, they will tell you what their products are safe for. They'll let you know whether it's safe for your face, body, eyes, lips, and things like that. But as I just said before, you can also get soap bases and shea butter bases on TKB Trading as well. They do have a wide selection of melt and pour soap base. So if you wanted to add some soaps to your website, here's a good place to start. Look at the pricing though, okay? Pricing is very affordable. They do ship within 1 to 3 business days. But that's pretty fast for a wholesale supply company, I will say. Anything other than 5 days shipping is pretty quick. So I do recommend checking out TKB Trading. They have your they have like waxes and shea butter on here as well. And then just like all the other websites that I showed you, they do have a tool and equipment section. So anything that you could need to make the products that you're trying to make, specifically lip gloss though. Like you're going to need a lot of syringes and pipettes, mixing bowls, melting bowls, a lot of different containers to formulate your lip gloss. So they do have a lot of the option on this website, which I like that because like I said earlier, it makes it easier for you to just shop in one website, check out, and be ready to go. So that's pretty much it for all of these different vendors, you guys. I hope that you guys did find this video useful or helpful in some way. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm working to get to 100,000 boss babes so that my channel can get as widely known as possible and I can help as many girls as I can. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that you guys learned something, and I love you guys so much. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.